Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazyators. In today's video, in pretty simple steps, I am going to demonstrate how you can create a backup from your current Quicken file, export it to the new device, download Quicken app on the new computer, whether it's a Windows or a Mac, and set it up with the old data file. In the first step, you can go ahead and connect an external hard drive or some kind of thumb drive to your old PC or Mac. After that, click on Quicken app, open it up. Once your Quicken app is open, click on File button at the left side very top corner. Navigate to Copy and Backup Files. In the next window, you can just go ahead and choose the first option, Create a Complete Backup. Click on Next. To make this file easy discoverable, you can also check this box over here, Add Date to Backup File Name. Also add time to the name. And here's the location. I have got a D drive connected to this computer. You may have E drive or something else. And if you wish to even change the directory, the device or the location where you want to export this backup file, you can click on this option Change, and from here on left you're going to see the list of options available. Choose your drive, click on Save Backup. Now on your new PC, open up one of your web browsers and visit to the website www.quicken.com. Hover the mouse on Sign In on right side top corner of this page and then click on My Account. In the next window, enter your email address or username associated with your Quicken account. Click on Continue. Enter your password. Once you logged into your Quicken account, scroll this page a little, and pretty much at the bottom of this screen, you're going to see Download Quicken. Here you have both the options available, Quicken for Windows, Quicken for Mac. If you're setting it up now on your Mac, you can click on this tab to download the Mac version, that'd be a DMG file. If you're setting it up again on Windows, you click on Quicken for Windows. It will download .exe file. If you're using Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, mostly in your web browser, you're going to see that tiny arrow pointing down at the right side top corner. Once the download is completed, all you do is click on the Quicken Setup file. You can hit it twice. Click on Next. It will take maybe a couple of minutes to set up this application, install it on your new computer. In the next window, click on Next. Don't customize this location, just leave it as default the way it is. Click on Install in the next window, and now just wait until it finishes up the process. Click on Done. Now eject the thumb drive or external drive that you connected and connect it into the new device. So in this window, we're going to choose the Stop option, open a data file located on this computer. Click on Get Started. From here, you can choose the location where your data file is. If you have the thumb drive connected, you can simply look for it on the left in this Explorer window, or if you have located the data file somewhere else, you can look for it and simply open it directly from there. Like I have it here, choose the file and click on Open. Click on Browse and give a location to the primary data file for this app. And usually what I will suggest you to do here is choose Documents folder. Under Documents folder, if you already have a Quicken folder, that's wonderful, look for it. However, if your PC doesn't show the Quicken folder under Documents, you can click on this tab, New Folder, and create one right from there. Click on Open. And you can simply click on Save in the main Quicken folder. Click on Restore Backup in the next window and just wait for a moment. It may take a minute or maybe few. The next window is going to definitely ask for the account validation. The associated account with that specific file needs the validation. So you'd have to enter your Quicken ID and the password for the validation. And there it is. Welcome to Quicken. You're ready and get started. Click on Done. Anyways, there's one more thing I'd like to add here. You may have to revalidate the connection between the Quicken and your bank institution. So you can click on Tools and Account List. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe Crazyators for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.